Hello, welcome. I'm Marla. Hi, welcome to my practice room. Maybe we know each other, maybe we've met just briefly before, maybe we're meeting for the first time. Either way, I'm happy to see you and thank you for joining me today. I wanted to share with you a yawning practice, Zapchen style, Zapchen Somatics, my primary lineage of somatic practice. And I wanted to demonstrate it for you today, and I hope you'll join in with me as we yawn today for a little bit and experience, I hope, some of the immediate effects of this simple yet very deep and profound practice that is transportable anywhere, anytime, any place. Before we begin, make yourself comfortable. If you're not comfortable, make sure you're seated in a comfortable way with support at your back. Or if you like, you certainly can lie down during this practice. Or if you prefer, you can stand, whatever suits you at this time. Just make sure you're comfortable. And if you would like to, at some point, give yourself the opportunity to lie down and rest. Take a moment, pause the video, and create yourself a little nest where you can lie down at any point and rest or continue to yawn. So with that, let's begin. Just starting with a yawn myself. Before I describe how to yawn, in case you have forgotten or it's been a long time, we take a big open breath as we open our mouth, and then we let our jaw relax, drop onto the back of our throat until the yawn comes, making noise. Letting the yawn come and go. And continuing to yawn, or attempting to yawn, as the case may be. Until the real McCoy shows up. There it is. Letting yourself make noise and pause in between yawns if you like. Relaxing into it. It's just a yawn after all. We're gonna yawn here for a little bit. You can even close your eyes. Or eyes open. It's nice to have you here in my space. And thank you for welcoming into your space, your home, your place, wherever you may be. As we yawn. Yeah, pausing in between. We Maybe one or two more. Ah, ah. Sometimes the yawns double up like that, back to back. Whatever happens, whatever works, however they present themselves, however you as yawn present yourself, let it be, let you be. Ah. And if you've just finished a yawn, or if you're just finishing a yawn, let your eyes close gently, softly. Let yourself rest and bathe in the yawn, in you as yawn. Just hang out, relax. Perhaps yawns continue to arise, and if they do, keep yawning. While you're resting, I'm going to say a little bit about this sneaky practice. Sneaky because it's so simple. It's what we do. We naturally yawn. But sometimes we forget how, or we've been stopped from yawning by the culture. It's often said, at least in my culture, to be impolite. However, I know from my Zapchen teachers that yawning is so powerful precisely because it is what we do naturally to self-regulate. When we yawn, we open our breath. And when we open our breath, we are taking in as much oxygen as we actually need as a body. So we're taking in food. It supports our circulation. So we are feeding our cells, our organs, our cells, our blood, our lymph, everything about us, our bones, with food, with oxygen. And when we yawn, we also pump our central diaphragm, the diaphragm that is just below our ribs, the diaphragm that we use to inhale and exhale as part of our natural respiration. And when we pump our central diaphragm, we move all of our fluids. We pump actually our other diaphragms in our body, and we move our fluids, our blood, our lymph, our cerebrospinal fluid, our interstitial fluid, or our waters, as I like to call them, the fluid that our cells bathe in. And this pumping of our fluids balances our internal fluid pressure. So we pulse our fluids, have more regulated pressure internally, feel more at ease with that regulated internal fluid pressure. We also pump and flex the back of our throat, our palate, and our occiput, or the base of our brain. And when we pump that diaphragm in particular, we flush our cerebrospinal fluid. So we pump out the old fluid and bring in new fluid that has the information of the yawn, which is I'm regulated, I'm at ease, I'm relaxed. My brain is at ease. It's not clamping up, but it's relaxed. My throat is at ease. Let's yawn a little bit more. Maybe you notice when you yawn that your mouth waters or there's more saliva available. More saliva available. It's another one of the benefits of yawning. With more saliva, we actually improve our sense of taste as well as our digestion. Or maybe you notice that your eyes are watering. Another positive effect of yawning. Bathing the eyes. Cleansing them. Especially good if we've been straining looking at a computer or a television or straining to get something right, really pushing our eyes forward to get something right. Yawning helps relax our eyes. Yawning is really wonderful in any situation because we immediately relax. It is a reflex, so if we are around other people, they may start yawning. So as the pack animals that we are, pack beings, it's actually, yawning is a group self-regulatory practice. If there's stress or a sense of being hyped up or amped or worry individually, or collectively, yawning supports us as bodies to rest down out of the worry, out, come down off of the being amped or hyped up to this state that is at ease and balanced. That, my friends, is yawning, a way out of worry, a way out of being hyped up or overamped, a way to support yourself to relax if you are about to take an afternoon nap or trying to fall asleep at night. So with that, I wish you well. I thank you for being with me. Till next time.